Today's adventure took me to the airport where my nephew, who is getting his pilot license, showed me all the prerequisites for getting your plane ready for takeoff and gassing it up, getting everything ready to go. There's a reference coming up right now. I hope somebody caught that reference. Plane started up. We got it up in the air. I got to fly it a little bit myself, personally. I held the controls. I did it. He wasn't even tricking me. I did it myself. I flew a plane today. Me, plane. I'm a pilot. And then he landed it. Lucky 13. We got there safe and sound. Landed safe and sound.